Good morning. I wanted to go over a video real quick about your grades and what you were graded on yesterday. There's probably a little bit of confusion. 20% of your grade is corresponding. What is corresponding? For this week, it's going to be this. If you can send me a cut and pasted problem from one of the Khan Academies on a Word document to my email, you're covered for the corresponding for the 20% for this week. That's 120 points a week, the corresponding. Or 3 messages on Google Classroom, three emails, okay, or a mixture of both. So you could send me an email today about why you think 300 minutes is excessive, and I would count that as one of your emails. And I would welcome your thoughts. All right? Please send whatever. I like whenever you guys voice yourselves. It doesn't necessarily mean my mind's going to change, but I still want you guys to voice what's going on in you. Okay, Mr. Blasey always supports you guys, period. Right? There you go. No matter what, I support you. You can share whatever you need to share, and I'm not going to hold it against you. I like to hear what you have to say. Okay? Is it always easy to hear? Absolutely not. But that's called human relationship, right? So there are going to be times I don't like what I hear from people. I'm going to make mistakes at times. So if you think the 300 minutes is excessive, please send me an email, state your case, tell me why it's excessive. You're going to need to convince me, all right? You need to explain to me how it's overwhelming, all right? Um, yeah, I think an hour of math a day under the circumstances is good, right? That's what I think. I think it engages my mind and it um, keeps me accountable to this subject. It puts me in a frame where I'm going to be learning the material, the standards that we have, and those are the exercises that you're going to be doing this week. So those are my thoughts on it. Now, if you had an hour, if you were required an hour a week from every teacher, I could see how that would be a lot of work. All right. But like I said, send me an email. What's next? So the 20% is corresponding. 30% is exercise completion. Now this is what hurt a lot of people yesterday, and I think a lot of people did not understand this category. I expect you guys to complete the exercises that are assigned. Okay, not just get the 300 minutes. However you can. It needs to be a guided 300 minutes. You need to be working on the exercises. You need to be watching the videos in synchronization with the exercises. All right. Um, for this week, there are 10 exercises. We have the same 10 exercises this week as we had last week. All right. So you're going to be able to continue to work on those. You already have credit this week for the ones you've already got done. So you're ahead of the game on those. Some of you even got all of them done. Okay. Good job, by the way. So you need to do every exercise, every test, every quiz at a 70% or better to get the 18 points for that individual assignment. 50% is the Khan Academy minutes. I will finalize minutes on Sunday evening. Spend your time each day so it does not pile up. You can get more than 300 minutes, and I will put them in a bank for you. I will either give you extra credit for unused points at the end of it all, or I will use them on weeks where you did not meet the 300-minute requirement. Okay? I have some students I have some students that have 800 minutes. So that student has 500 minutes in the bank. Actually, 890 minutes. I have one student with 890 minutes. If she gives me permission, I'll tell you guys who she is. But she already has 590 minutes in the bank. All right. So she has really kind of 2 more weeks covered on her minutes qualification, right? She still needs to do the exercises, but she's covered on her con minutes for a few weeks actually because she's got so much time piled up. So if you have extra minutes in the bank, if you got a 300 on your con minutes, that means you have some minutes in the bank. I can tell you how many there are, but I'm going to show you in a minute how to look at your Khan Academy minutes. All right. So I think I explained everything. Well, I will show you Khan Academy in just a minute. Also, over here, the lowest grade in each category for the 6-week quarantine will be dropped. All right. So, um, at the end of it all, I'm going to drop the lowest grade in each category. Okay, for the 6-week quarantine. All right. Now, I wanted to go to Khan Academy. I wanted to show you some cool things about Khan. All right. So let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, here's Khan Academy. I wanted to click on my name. Is everybody with me? Let me give you a second to get here. Okay, so Khan Academy, if you click on your name in the upper right hand corner and you go to Learner Home, it's going to bring you here. All right. Now, I know a lot of people saw these videos. See all these videos? I did all these videos last week, and now all of a sudden they have a start button next to them. Did I not get credit? You got credit for the time on the videos. I had to delete all those and then reassign them. I reassigned them so everything would be in the same place for you. You really don't need these here. I'm going to show you another way to get to the videos. All right. I might even unassign all the videos. Really, your assignment is 300 minutes. Okay. But anyways, I deleted them and then I reassigned them. That's why they're showing that they're not done. Okay. That was just for grading purposes. It was going to be too hard to figure out what exercises you had done with those in the way there. All right. So now we're on my assignments page, and I wanted to guide your attention over here to the left. All right. So let me show you one more time. You click in the upper right on your name. You go to Learner Home. It's going to bring you here. And then over here on the left, we have all these different tabs. Okay. The most important one probably for you guys right now is progress. If you click progress, guess what it shows? It shows your minutes. Okay. So here's my minutes for the last week, last 7 days. The score I got for you guys was, I took your Khan Academy minutes from March 13th all the way, I did March 14th all the way to May 3rd. And that's how I got your first week of minutes. All right. So you could see right here, I would have 360 total learning minutes, 258 exercise minutes. All right. So you can see I've spent a little over an hour on videos and 258 minutes on exercises. All right. So, but let's just say I want to see what I've done today. Well, guess what? I haven't even been on Khan Academy today to do any exercises. All right. I've been on doing other stuff, but I haven't been doing any exercises or any videos, so my time's not showing. All right. Another thing is whatever tab I am on in Khan Academy, I need to stay on that tab so all of my minutes will record. There are little glitches in the system, and sometimes if you open up other tabs, it won't give you minutes. So you need to stay on the same tab. You need to be working on exercises, watching videos from start to end. All right. If you start a video, you need to end it. All right. So this shows you your time. What else? If you scroll, if you go over here to courses, this you need to know. All right. See how it says Mathematics 2 right here? See my right triangles and trigonometry? Here's my courses. It's only showing me 5 of them. Okay. But if I go over here to see all, or you could have clicked on right triangles and trigonometry there, I can scroll down and I can go to right triangles and trigonometry right here. Okay, this is what we're working on this week. If you click on it, you're going to see it's all organized. Nice. Okay. All of the practices are on the right hand side. Okay, so see these are all the practice problems. These are all your exercises. Boom. Here's another one. Boom. Boom. Okay. Right, and then all the videos are over here on the left. All right. Sine of and cosine of complementary angles. Modeling with right triangles, right triangle word problem. It's got all these different videos. I think some of them may be a little bit different, okay? But a few of the videos are different. but for the most part, it's identical. Okay. Over here is your practice, right triangle, trigonometry, word problems. Did you guys have that exercise? Take quiz, start unit test, but all the practices are over here. All right. So it might be good to access the exercises from here. Okay. Click up here in the upper middle and go through. If it has a star next to it, that's an exercise. Okay. And you need to do all those exercises. There's 10 of those total. Okay. So it might be good to access those here and then go through and see in the other section. I like this section. I wanted to give you guys a hint here. The next thing we're going to do is similarity. So if you click on similarity and you go over there, it's going to walk you through all the videos. You're going to be assigned this next. So you could go in here and you could just start trying to do these. Here's the exercises, practice for similarity and transformations. And it gives you a video that goes along with it. Right here. Introduction to triangle similarity. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 videos in an article that support these 2 skills. Okay. Quiz 1, start quiz. 1, 2 practices next week. All right. Practice next week. All these. It looks like there's another quiz. It looks like there's about 10 assignments also for next week. Okay. So if you want to start doing those, you can start doing those now and start getting your minutes. All right. So, all right. Anyways, so yeah, I may start doing some quick videos, just random videos of different skills and just talk through them. And just to get you familiar with the outline of how Khan Academy does stuff here. But you can go back to that learner home, right? And you can attack your minutes in different ways once you get your exercises done, okay? So once again, click on your name, learner home, takes you here. If you go over here, progress gives you your minutes, courses will take you to, you can get to your page from there, all the videos and all the exercises. Now there's some other cool stuff in here, missions, all right? Mathematics too, right? You can see I have 11 of 113 skills mastered. I just signed up for the course when you guys did. So, and I've just been focused on teaching you the trig. But if you look in here, there's a mastery challenge. And if I do the mastery challenge, my time is just going right now, right? And it's going to take me all over the place in my math. And let's see if I remember this stuff, right? ABC is similar to triangle JKL. Well, like I said, that's what you guys are going to be doing next week, right? So let's just say, I don't know. We would need a hint probably on this, right? If we haven't done it yet, okay? And then we can move on to the next problem, see what we can do. Or maybe you remember similarity, you've learned it in the past, okay? All right, so anyways, this is just a good way to get some time in, all right? You can do old skills that you've already done this year. You can see there's just all sorts of different stuff, all right, to check out. Anyways, that's it for this video. I will be in touch.